Today I'm going to introduce you to a game I call laundry ball. It starts with a basket with a towel inside for weight. From there, you need to choose one of any type of toy you have laying around the house as your ball. Once you've decided on a ball, it's time to set up the game. Put the laundry basket at the end. 2 steps away should be your 1 point, 1 more step should be your 3 point, and 1 more step yet is your 5 point value. You could even use gloves or anything else you've got laying around to mark those point value throws. From there, the game begins starting at the 1 point value with an underhand toss. After that, you may go to any point value, still tossing underhand in an effort to get as many points as you possibly can. The game continues for 1 minute. Your goal is to get as many points as you can in that 1 minute. Replay over and over and try to improve your best score. Good luck.